Hi second graders, this is Mrs. Walle. I'm just opening up my box here, my science kit. I'm so excited that we're going to start doing some science here pretty soon. So I wanted to look at some of the stuff with you. Looks like I've got some keeper kits here. It says that I need to keep all these things. So I've got a cylinder and some safety glasses. I've got a magnifying glass and a mirror and a thermometer. Let's see what it's got. So my safety glasses, I got to try them on. I got to make sure that they work, huh? I'm so excited I get to keep these. Maybe we can pop in and do some lessons together. What do you think? Let's make sure that they fit. Yeah, looks like they fit. I'm so excited about this. So we've got a mirror. Really cool mirror. I wonder what we're going to use this for. And then this looks like the thermometer maybe. Is this what this is? This is a spring scale. See? Miss Walle, I got cut off. So I've got a thermometer in my hand. And then I have another lab kit that shows me a little check-off sheet for all the things I should have. So make sure that you're checking off every single thing that you have if you have not already opened this up. So it says that I've got a magnifying glass in here and a cylinder. This is going to be fun. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. A primary rock mineral collection. What is this? Rock and minerals? Oh, you guys, this is going to be fun. This is going to be a fun year. I hope you're excited for second grade science because I'm excited for second grade science. I haven't done second grade science in a long time. Miss Walle hasn't been in second grade for a long time. So look at this. Oh, and it's even telling me what they are, you guys. They're all numbered so that you make sure you put them back where they go. Okay, have your mom help you put this one together, but look at this. So I think it's like 4 pieces, and this balance is gonna help you figure out what weighs more. So I just, most important part, you guys, there's a lot of reading involved. Science has a lot of really important vocabulary, so make sure that you're spending some time taking a look at these pictures and really getting to know your vocab, okay? We will see you guys in class. Thank you guys. It's nice seeing you. Bye.